Okay, before we get into my main goal for this particular show, which is how to make everything in business and life easier, for those of you who are not familiar with business and marketing, I want to do a real quick recap of the things that we're always taught when it comes to business and marketing, because this is going to make that easier. So, when you start up a business, if somebody early on in business should say, whatever you do, don't try to be a generalist. In my world of consulting. I can consult on CRMs and I can consult on it for gyms. I can consult on it for the military. I can consult on it for pet spas. I can consult on it for liquor stores. I can consult on it for, um, you know, any variety of things. Okay, the work I do and my team does and the people I know in this industry do, we can basically do marketing work for anybody because some of the philosophies and strategies and tactics and things like that, they just commute between systems. It doesn't really matter. But we're always taught to niche down for a couple of reasons. Riches are in the niches. We've always heard that, right? Not that other word. Don't think that B word. But the riches are in the niches, from what I hear.